Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll show you how to install the Debutify Helper App if you skipped it during onboarding and connect it to your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, you'll see the onboarding page. On the left sidebar, click on User Profile and select Shopify Integration. Shopify Store Connection page will open. Enter your Shopify store domain, and the system will automatically verify the connection and retrieve your Shopify store name. Next, click the Install Debutify Helper App button. You'll then be redirected to your Shopify admin, where you'll see a list of your Shopify stores. Select the Shopify store that you want to connect to the Debutify theme. After selecting your store, you'll be redirected to the Shopify app installation page. Click Install App to complete the installation of the Debutify Helper App. Once the installation is successful, return to the Shopify store connection page. After the initial verification is completed successfully, click the Retrieve Access Token button. Debutify will then verify your store connection and access token. Once the verification process is complete, your Shopify store will be successfully connected. And that's it. Your Debutify Helper app installation is now complete and ready to use. If you need help, our Debutify support team is always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Debutify Theme Manager.